We're back up on top of the dance floor inside St. Peter's Catholic Church as work continues in our Preserving Our Past, Securing Our Future capital campaign, and we're here with Ed McGee from Evergreen Architectural Arts, and he's going to give us a little update on where we are in the project this week. So Ed, tell us what's happening a little bit right behind us.
Well, this week we're completing the base paint on the apse area here, and you can see that there's the yellow in the ceiling, the blue in the front, and then there's some gray going up into the ribs. We're completing the window wells, preparing for the artwork to go in.
With a steady hand, the painters cut in the new wall colors around the murals by hand with just a standard 1.5 inch trim brush. A smaller brush is then used to fill in the tight spaces. Very delicately, but all of the work is done by hand. The stained glass windows in the clerestory have been inspected and cleaned. The trim around the windows have been painted with a salmon color to prepare it for stenciling in the coming weeks. While the base coat behind the four evangelists and Jesus is a yellow color, the rest of the ceiling will be painted light blue. So St. Peter and St. Paul both have light blue ceiling backgrounds. Until next time, for St. Peter's Parish, I'm Jason Crunwell.